2025 Audi SQ8 seamlessly blends high-performance engineering with luxury and advanced technology. Here's an overview of its key specifications: performance and powertrain. Engine: twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8. Horsepower: 500 horsepower at 5,500 RPM. Torque: 568 lb-ft at 3,000 RPM. Transmission: 8-speed automatic with Tiptronic manual shift capability. Drivetrain: Quattro all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4 seconds. Towing capacity: up to 7,700 pounds. Fuel efficiency: city, 15 miles per gallon. Highway, 21 miles per gallon. Combined, 17 miles per gallon. Fuel tank capacity: 22.5 gallons. Dimensions and capacity: exterior length: 196.6 inches. Width: 78.5 inches. Height: 67.2 inches. Wheelbase: 117.9 inches. Curb weight: 5,269 pounds. Cargo volume: 30 cubic feet. Rear seats up: 61 cubic feet. Rear seats folded. Seating capacity: 5 passengers. Interior features: upholstery, Valcona leather seats. Front seats: 10-way power adjustable with heating. Infotainment: 10.1-inch touchscreen with Audi MMI Navigation Plus. Audio system: Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system with 17 speakers. Smartphone integration: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional features: panoramic sunroof, 4-zone automatic climate control, and ambient interior lighting. Safety and driver assistance: standard features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. Parking assistance: front and rear parking sensors, surround view camera system, and automated parking system. Additional safety: Audi Pre-Sense Basic and front mitigation, rear side impact airbags, and a head-up display, Prestige model. Pricing and availability: Premium Plus trim, starting at $98,895. Prestige trim, starting at $106,195. Release date: expected in fall 2024. The 2025 Audi SQ8 stands out in the luxury performance SUV market, offering a compelling mix of power, elegance, and state-of-the-art technology. Sources: Cars Direct, Prestige Audi ***.